You have an assistant? Like Batman and Robin. This is your first delivery. We're counting on you. Something wrong with the delivery? Hey, Billy, I don't think you need that brick. Are you okay? Wow! Are you seeing things in double? The robot went crazy! You need to stop him! How are you feeling, Billy? You need to clear the way! Where did the evil robot go? Walter thinks it's Super Truck. What's wrong, Walter? The robot did that. What's wrong, Carrie? Super Truck! Carrie thought you were at the ice cream machine. You have an idea to stop him?
Hey.
Time to fix you! A maintenance gun? Cool! Welcome back! Can you help with this delivery? That's Super Truck's assistant. He's sorry for what happened earlier. Everything is fine. Your assistant is becoming a hero. Hello, Ben. Bringing haystacks to the airport? Hello, baby Rocky. Oh, no! Hurry up, Frank! Ben is on fire! Look out, Billy! Oh, no! Your tires are all flat! Wow! So many arms! Tickling! Frank needs your help! There's a fire at the airport, but Frank can't get there because of flat tires! Help us, Billy! This is too slow, Super Truck. You have to take over his firefighter duty. Oh no! You have to transform quickly! Super Fire Truck, let's make Frank proud! Good job! Oh no! Ben is stuck! Help him, Super Truck! Ben, be still! Follow the flames. They'll take you to Ben.
Hey!
Look out, Jerry. Ben is safe, but the trolley is on the move and burning. Jerry, you have to go off the track! Oh no, not the loop! Use the ST3000! Oh no, he's trapped! Oh, we made it! And you, my friend, need a car wash. Brand new tires, Frank! Well done! Frank wants to thank you, Super Truck!
Oh no! Dr. Zig is letting out a hypnotized chick into the city! That crazy chickens are going to cause trouble. Luckily, the rescue squad is on its way. Oh no! The chickens caused an accident. Rescue squad, can you get to the injured cars through the traffic jam? Super Truck, you can help. It's time to transform. Police truck, can you clear the traffic so Amber can get to the injured cars? Wow, police truck is clearing the traffic. Are you ready to help the injured cars, Amber? These two cars don't look so good. Nicely done, Amber. The medicine helped the injured cars. But wait, is that a fire? Oh no, the hypnotized chicken started the fire. Frank, put out the fire. Frank is on his way, but he is going to need help. Time to transform, Super Truck. Super Fire Truck, the fire's grown. Frank needs your help. It looks like the fire has grown bigger, Super Fire Truck. You need to help Frank fast. Working together is always best. Wow, that was just in time. The fire is out. It is time to save the hypnotized chick from Dr. Zig's hypnosis. Oh no, they're getting away. Rescue team, you have to stop Dr. Zig and save the hypnotized chick. The hypnotized chickens and Dr. Zig are running in different directions. Super Fire Truck, go after Dr. Zig. The rescue team is going to save the hypnotized chickens. Maybe you should try getting the chick in a different way. Well done, rescue team. The chickens are safe from Dr. Zig's hypnosis. Oh no, Dr. Zig is still running away. It's time to use the ST-3000. Wow, the ST-3000 net thrower is going to help you catch Dr. Zig. Oh no, the net didn't catch Dr. Zig. Dr. Zig is too fast. He is getting away. It looks like Super Truck needs help. You are here to help. Dr. Zig can't escape now. Try the ST-3000 again, Super Fire Truck. Dr. Zig is caught. There is nothing like teamwork to get the job done. The chickens are very upset at Dr. Zig. This time, Dr. Zig has surely learned his lesson. Hello, Super Truck. What a sunny day. Was that a tiger? The tiger must be lost. He thinks you're his mother. It looks like the tiger wants you to follow him. Oh no! A train is coming! The tiger is in danger! It's Troy, and he seems out of control! Super Truck, get the tiger off the railroad! That's not working! The tiger thinks that you're playing with him! Super Truck, it's time to transform! Quick, Super Truck, before Troy arrives! Come on, Super Truck! Phew! Just in time. You're safe now, little tiger. Jenny is trying to help. Troy is trying to use his brakes, but the railroad is covered with water. He can't stop. Keep an eye on the little tiger, Jenny. Super Truck, you have a train to catch. Edna, you should be careful when you're crossing the street. Stay away from the railroad. Troy the train is out of control. There he is. You are in great danger, Edna. Super Truck, Edna is not realizing that Troy is coming toward her. Troy is too fast. You won't get to Edna on time. It's time to use the ST-3000. Great! The speed reactor will make you go faster than Troy. Good job, Super Truck. Edna is safe. Pay more attention when you're on the street. Troy, you have to stop. Troy can't use his brakes. What are you going to do? Troy needs to be stopped before he hurts someone. Time for a new transformation. Super Monster Truck, use all your power to stop Troy! Troy is going too fast. You need more power to stop him. Oh no, you're heading toward a dead end. Super Truck, come on, you can do it. Keep up, Super Truck. Whew, that was close. Troy, you have been saved by Super Truck. Troy, Amber is going to give the medical care. Jump, little tiger. Super Truck will take you to your mom.
Look at the rescue squad. There must be an emergency. Oh no! 2 T-Rex dinosaurs have started a fire. The rescue squad is here. Rescue team, you need to put the fires out. Super Truck, you know what to do. It's time to transform. Super Fire Truck to the rescue. Those cars look scared. They need help. Good job, Matilda. You're guiding the cars out of the park. Oh no! The dinosaurs are back. The dinosaurs are after Matilda's light sticks. Go, Matilda, go! Oh no! The dinosaurs need to stop before they get to the traffic. The dinosaurs are not stopping. Oh no! Watch out, Matilda! Go, Matilda, go! The dinosaurs caused some accidents. Super Truck, you have to help Amber. It's time to transform. Amber and Super Ambulance are helping the hurt cars. Well done, rescue team. The cars feel better now. Oh no, the dinosaurs are still chasing Matilda. You have an idea, Super Ambulance? Good thinking, Super Ambulance. We need to get the dinosaurs out of the city. Oh no, there's traffic up ahead. You can't go that way. You know another way, Super Ambulance? Super Ambulance has another idea. It's time for the ST-3000. Super Ambulance is going to use the spiderweb gun. Try again, Super Ambulance. Oh no, the dinosaurs are getting closer. Watch out, Super Ambulance and Matilda. Oh no, Matilda, the dinosaurs saw your light sticks again. Oh, that's the plan. Super Ambulance and Matilda are working together on a new plan. Super Ambulance is closing off the intersection with the spider webs. Super Ambulance, you left one street open. Oh, it's all part of the plan. Oh, I see. Super Ambulance and Matilda are making a trap. The dinosaurs are coming towards you, Matilda. Are you ready? You want us to count with you? Okay. 1, 2, 3. You did it, Matilda. The dinosaurs are caught. The dinosaurs look very happy to be back in the forest. They're back where they belong.